Marines from across Marine Forces Reserve conducted hazardous material technician training at Pilottown, Louisiana, July 29th.
Right now we are conducting our HAZMAT technician training. Today was our final exercise. We took them down to Pilottown, Louisiana and simulated a clandestine chemical warfare agent lab in an abandoned hotel. This training is going to take these guys from HAZMAT operations, which they get coming out of the schoolhouse, and it's going to bring them up to HAZMAT technician. If you are an operations level certification, you can show up and you can take certain actions, but technician level, they can actually go in and mitigate a hazard. They can take active roles in making sure that that doesn't get out or get into the environment.
Recon 1, you have permission to make entry. I have you down at 11:17.
As the recon team, we go in to just try to find the actual hazard. If it's a radiological hazard or a chemical hazard, we bring in our detection equipment and try to pinpoint where the hazard is exactly so we can send in a sampling team to further analyze the hazard. As I was searching through the hallway, I saw a cart that had a bunch of electrical components on it. Out of the corner of my eye, I saw a blue flashing light, and I knew the building had no power to it, so I automatically assumed it was an IED. So I told the other member of the recon team to evacuate and have EOD come in and clear the room.
This is about as real as it gets for them. We're running these training events based off of real-world events, so we make it as close as possible as actual threats out there. The Marines gain a higher level of confidence and teamwork with each other, and a better understanding of how this equipment works and the skills it takes to actually go out and respond to a situation like this.
In addition, the Marines leveraged the support of the Coast Guard to reach their training objectives.
The Coast Guard absolutely could not wait to train with us. They have to maintain a certain amount of hours underway with gear and things like that. So when we call them up and say, hey, we want to do something off-site, they were just chomping at the bit for it. It gives them something to do, gives them a real-world situation. If something's coming up the Mississippi Delta and they get word on it, they can call back to us, and we will be a part of that response.
Reporting from Pilottown, Louisiana, I'm Sergeant Ian Leonis.